Trade Ideas is offering one of its biggest sales of the year this Black Friday. Here are the details. From November 29th through December 2nd, enjoy 25% off all subscriptions. Use the link in the description or comment section and apply the promo code BLKFriday25. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, annual premium subscriptions are 30% off during the same period. Use the link in the description or comments section and apply the BLK Friday 30. Trade Ideas is the go-to platform for active day traders, offering advanced features like AI-driven buy and sell signals, strategy backtesting with OddsMaker, and real-time simulated trading to refine your skills without risk. With tools like Money Machine, TradeWave, and Stock Races, you'll have everything you need to spot market momentum, maximize opportunities, and trade confidently. This sale ends December 2nd, so don't wait. Use the link in the description or comments to get started and claim your discount. Thanks for watching the Trade Ideas Black Friday sale video. See you next time.